What is an IP address in industrial networks? Imagine trying to send a letter without knowing the exact address. It would never reach the right person. In industrial networks, the IP address acts like that postal address, guiding data to the correct device. Every device connected to an industrial network needs a unique number called an Internet Protocol address. This includes programmable logic controllers, sensors, actuators, gateways, and other automation equipment. These addresses are essential because they tell the network where each device is located, so data packets can be sent accurately. In industrial automation, IP addresses follow specific standards called Internet Protocol standards. The most common are IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 addresses are made up of 32 bits and are written in for groups of numbers separated by dots, like 192.168.1.10. IPv6 addresses are longer, 128 bits, and written in hexadecimal, like 2001, dba, 1. These addresses serve two main roles. They identify the device's network interface, which is like its digital fingerprint, and they show where the device is within the network layout. Most industrial networks use Ethernet IP protocols, which relying heavily on IP addresses for real-time communication. Each device must have a unique IP address within the network to avoid conflicts that could cause data to go to the wrong device or get lost. To improve performance and security, networks are often divided into smaller segments called subnets. A subnet mask helps define which part of the IP address refers to the network and which part points to the device itself. Gateways and routers are also configured with IP addresses to connect different parts of the network or different protocols. This setup allows legacy systems to communicate with modern smart factory components seamlessly. Devices can get IP addresses automatically through dynamic host configuration protocol servers, or they can be assigned static IP addresses by control engineers. Static addresses are fixed and help maintain consistent communication paths, especially for critical devices. Understanding how IP addresses work is vital for setting up, troubleshooting, and securing industrial networks. As factories move toward Industry 4.0, where connectivity and data exchange are key, managing IP addresses properly ensures smooth operation. Proper IP address management helps identify devices quickly, segment networks effectively, and keep communication flowing without interruptions. In short, IP addresses are the backbone of modern industrial communication, making sure every device knows where to send and receive information.